Madam Chair?
Honorable Pino.
Yes. I just want to clarify the meaning of the vote that was just made.
That
So-
is merely to differ.
Okay. So, by laying on
In
the
proper
table,
time, we will resolve.
ayun. So, yung laying on the table, ibig sabihin po, is just to defer.
To differ.
Kaya po, hindi natin isinusoli kung hindi pag-aaralan pa kung pwedeng buksan o hindi ng committee. So, yun lang po ang gusto natin ilinaw at malinaw na
I think you should sign on all sides.
maaari pa itong buksan. Thank you.
The committee notes the manifestation of the Honorable Pino. We will soon hear the most favorite motion.
Madam Chair, before that, may I make a manifestation? Madam Chair.
The Honorable Keith Flores is recognized.